Good afternoon, students. Sorry for the inconvenience of video call. So, this problem I want to explain in this class. The particulars of 50 mm reach A, B of canal is given. One canal is there. The first end it will taken as a, another end it will be having B. Two ends A and B. So, for this canal, he has given the following dimensions. First one, the bed width. The bed width he has given as 10 meter. At the depth of cutting, the canal means nothing but it is a excavation. It's excavated, no. So at the end, A it will be having 2.5 meter. The depth of cutting at another end is B. This side it will be having depth 5 meter. Slide slopes are given 1:1. So for this you have to calculate the quantities, that is nothing but volume. In order to calculate the volume we are having these methods or another method also there, trapezoidal. So in this question he has asked only three methods. So for this, first of all we have to write what actually he has given. So write the given data first. For the particulars of 50-meter reach A and B, 50-meter reach means this canal length. Okay, this canal length nothing but L is equal to 50 meter he has given, and bed width is 10 meter, and what is there, depth at end 1. So D1 is nothing but 2.5 meter, and D2 is nothing but another end, depth at another end is 5 meter. Slide slopes, so n is equal to 1:1 means 1. Okay, from this can you calculate dm? What is dm? Nothing but average of depths. So d1 plus d2 by 2. So from this what is d1? 2.5 plus 5 by 2, which is nothing but 7.5 by 2, which is nothing but 3.75 meter. Okay, this is nothing but dm. So first of all calculate a1. A1 is nothing but what is the area formula for trapezoidal section. So area is nothing but B plus n into D1 into D1. Okay. So what is B? The bed of the canal is 10 meter. 10 meter plus what is the n value, slope value? 1:1 means 1 into what is D1? 2.5 into 2.5. Calculate it and you will be getting the area is 31.25 meter square. Similarly for area 2, okay, again B plus n into D2 to D2. So bed width is 10 plus 1, slope is n is nothing but 1 into depth is d2 is 5, and this one is a 5. From this you will getting the area is 75 meter square. See, I am calculating only areas. Okay, similarly calculate dm, that is nothing but am, area at mid sectional. See here, for this simply you have to take, instead of d1 d2 you have to take dm, that's it. B plus n into dm into dm. So 10 plus 1 into 3.75 into 3.75. From this you will getting the 51.56 meter square. So see, first he has asked that mid sectional area method. Mid sectional means we have to average the diameter, sorry, depth of the canal sections. So this is nothing but dm. So for the mid sectional we have formula is am into l. Am is nothing but this one, mid sectional area, into length. What is the length? He has given 50 meters. Okay, the canal length. So am here we are getting 51.56 into 50. From this you will getting the volume in terms of meter cube. Again, see the second question. What is the second question? Mean sectional area method. Mean sectional area method means we have to average the areas. A is equal to A1 plus A2 by 2. So from this, what is area 1? See this one, 31.25 plus 70